In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Windows 11 default browser. If links from your email or apps keep opening in a browser you don't prefer, setting a new default will make sure the web opens where you want every time. We'll keep this simple and clear, and I'll add a few tips along the way so you know exactly what to expect. First, open Settings. You can do this from the Start menu by clicking the gear icon or by typing Settings into the search box. If you like shortcuts, pressing the Windows key plus I also brings it up right away. Give it a second to load and make sure you're on the main Settings home screen before moving on. Next, click Apps. You'll find it on the left-hand sidebar of the Settings window. The Apps section is where Windows groups together everything related to installed applications and how they behave, including which programs open certain file types or links. Now click Default Apps. This area controls which app Windows uses by default for everyday tasks, like opening email, viewing photos, or, in our case, browsing the web. You'll see a search box at the top and a long list of apps below. In the search box, type the name of the browser you want to use. Make sure that browser is already installed and updated on your PC. If you don't see it, double-check the spelling or confirm it's actually installed. The search should filter the list so your chosen browser appears clearly. Click the browser you want to set as the default. This opens a detailed page for that app. Here, Windows shows the file types and link types the browser can handle, such as HTML, and the web protocols HTTP and HTTPS. On modern builds of Windows 11, you'll also see a Set Default button near the top. This is the quickest way to apply your choice across all the common web-related items in one go. Finally, click Set Default. Windows will apply your selection so that web links and HTML files open in your chosen browser going forward. If anything seems unchanged, give it a moment, then try opening a link from an app to confirm. If the button is missing or grayed out, you may be on an older Windows 11 build or using a work-managed device with restrictions. Updating Windows or checking with your administrator can help. That's it. With just a few clicks, you've set your preferred browser as the default in Windows 11, so your web experience stays consistent and exactly how you like it.